Advice to help you have the most fun while camping. One of the best ways to spend your vacation time is by camping out in the woods with Mother Nature. Make sure you are properly prepared with the helpful tips in the following video and that you learn all you can about spending time in a forest before you set out. Bring a large trash bag for dirtied laundry, and keep it in a central location, suitable for everyone in your party. Let them pack their clothing individually, as this makes it much easier to find than if you pile it all in a community storage box or bag. Toss in a dryer sheet to any bag you want smelling fresh. Prior to leaving, take a few minutes to make a checklist of everything that you need. There is nothing worse than getting to a campsite and then finding out that you don't have what you need to be comfortable. A checklist is a great aid as you are packing. Try to start getting things together several days before you leave so you have plenty of time. Keep an eye on the weather. Rain or other conditions may impact your travel time and your experience at the campsite. Make sure that you have gear that is appropriate for the weather conditions that you may face. Adjust your departure time as necessary to try and avoid the bulk of the bad weather, if possible. Take the tent into your yard and set it up before you go on your camping trip. This helps you learn to put up your tent and make sure there aren't missing pieces. You don't want to waste time at your destination, so this will make you well prepared. Camping is a fantastic way to learn, relax and enjoy. It can, however, lead to many mishaps if you are not well prepared. Keep the useful advice from this video in mind as you get ready, to ensure your camping trip is as enjoyable and fun as possible and without unexpected incidents. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.